Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about indirect of interrogative sentences. As we know that there are two types of interrogative sentences, that is yes no type question and WHO question. So first of all, we have to discuss about yes no type question. So we have to keep in mind some things while converting direct into indirect speech of interrogative sentence as a yes no type question. The form of yes no type question is it starts with helping verb, and the reporting verb we have to take here asked or inquired according to the sentence, and the connective is if or either. If there is a choice or a preference, we have to take whether, otherwise we have to take if as a connective, and which we have seen in the assertive sentence. In the same way, according to the assertive sentence, here is also change in the tense. Let's see one example. The poor woman said, the poor woman said, comma, into double inverted comma, is it true? Is it true? Question mark, double inverted comma, close. While converting indirect speech of this sentence, the speaker is the poor woman, and introductory verb is said. The poor woman as reporting verb asked or inquired should be taken here. We have to take here asked. The poor woman asked. The connective is if or whether. Directly we have to take here if or whether. The tense of the sentence is simple present tense, so it becomes simple past tense. So it's simply it was true. Okay. If there is a choice or a preference, we have to take a whether, and that's why here choice are there, and so the poor woman said, is it a true or is it a false? Then it's a choice, so whether is a correct. And if we take in here if is also correct. The poor woman asked if or whether it was true according to the tense. The is becomes was. Okay. Let us take an example. Gopal said to the gardener, comma, into double inverted comma, have you watered this plant? Question mark, double inverted comma, close. The answer of this sentence or the indirect speech of this sentence here, in this sentence Gopal is a subject or Gopal is a speaker and the gardener is a listener. So Gopal asked, because instead of said to, we have to take asked or inquired. Gopal asked the gardener conjunction if. Gopal asked the gardener if he had watered that plant. He had watered that plant. Full stop. The tense of this sentence is simple past tense. So it becomes perfect past tense. Subject plus had plus V3. And the pointer word this becomes that. And according to this one is the answer or indirect speech of this direct sentence. Okay. Another example. Rajesh said to his father, comma, into double entered comma, can you give me extra money? Can you give me extra money for my trip? For my trip? Question mark, inverted comma, close. Rajesh is a speaker, so we have to take at first here Rajesh, and he asked his father. Rajesh asked his father if he could give him extra money for his trip. So the tense of this sentence is simple present, and it becomes simple past, means the past form of can is could, and the conjunction you converted as he, because Rajesh is a speaker and he is asking to his father about the extra money for his trip, and so here my becomes his trip, and this is how it is the indirect speech of this sentence. And according to this, or by using this or such a rules, one can convert direct speech into indirect speech according to the rules. Okay, today we shall stop here, and in the next session or a next video lecture we can discuss the another type of interrogative sentence, that is WH word questions. Thank you.